Hey guys, got an important video for you here. Just wanted to bring it to your attention. Cryptos have been around for years and some are still not aware of it, them existing. And one question that you can ask is like why cryptos? Why are cryptos around? There's it solves quite a lot of issues. Um, it hedges against the banks and hyperinflation. It's like something separate, right, from the normal financial system. Um, just wanting to make you guys aware of what's happening here, right? You see, like Bitcoin's price, it's gone up quite significantly recently. Just wanted to take a look at it here. So you can see, even though it's down today, it's it did reach upwards of 13,000 and a bit there. Today's one of those days that is a good time to accumulate. We can just show an example like where looking at the historic chart of Bitcoin, and just take a look at the charts here when it loads up. You can see like a bunch of the data from when it was recorded, where Bitcoin started. So this is what when this website started tracking it roughly. You see the price, it's around 135, and see we climbed up in 2017 basically to 20,000 there USD. Then we had quite a bit of a bear market in 2018 and some of 2019 as well, and then now we've rocked it back up. We've rocketed back up, guys. You can see like it's basically at the halfway point compared to 2017, and looking at it, on certain charts, it looks differently. Where if you're comparing the years, you can see it just continues to climb. It drops, quite a significant percentage, and then it climbs back up, and it will just continues higher, and it's done this, like more than 7, 8 times. And you can see also there's 21 million Bitcoin that will be ever available, right? There's a cap on it, so considering that, the demand equals the price as well. And then to create more Bitcoin, basically print the money. In a sense, you need to mine it to put them out into the circulation. And remember, like some of you have may have heard, right? A bunch of Bitcoin have been lost. Hard drives are thrown out in the dump, right? Probably not retrievable now. So realistically, this hard cap will probably not be reached. But yeah, so this is the difference with the fiat system, right? They can just continue to print, and then the hyperinflation can happen, right? But with Bitcoin, you know how much is going to be there. It's kind of similar to gold in the way where there is a bit of a rough idea how much is around, but um, it, it, I would say we don't know exactly how much gold is really around. It's probably some that's hidden, right? But yeah, I wanted to also show you, like, to really show you about Bitcoin, right? There's just a brief information about it. It's a cryptocurrency form of electric cash, right? Some people call it the internet money, but you can send it like through the internet, satellite, SMS. So it's decentralized. The government, they don't really control it. There's no central authority. Like it's basically whoever's in the network, running a node. They can assist in controlling this network, and the more nodes, the more secure the network, which is really really important. Like some of the new cryptos come out, and there aren't as many nodes in the network, and then there can be a what's called a 51% attack. If someone holds 51% of the mining, or they can take control and sometimes reverse the transactions. So I'm wanting to ask this question again, like why cryptos? What are they here for? Make you realize something too, that June 3rd, 2009, after the Great Recession, financial crisis, Bitcoin appears, right? Now, typically in the cycles we have with the ups and downs, there's pumps and then corrections, right? And we're due for a correction coming here. And think about this too. Bitcoin hasn't been around for a huge financial crash before, so I want you to think about that too. So yeah, I just wanted to throw a few keys out, information about crypto here. Now Bitcoin is just one of them, right? There's like 22 others, and they probably all won't survive. It all depends on the community, if they're accepted. And there are some scams out there, right? So just wanted to give you some information here. I feel as though something, there's a big rise in the markets coming. Um, as you can see, bull market. You see the action here in the last few weeks. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to look at this video and take a listen. More videos on the way.